welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be putting these Malone crossbars on my 22 Crosstrek. I almost bought the Tool crossbars, but they were so expensive. I figured there had to be a cheaper option that was probably, just as good. Read a few reviews on these, and it seemed like a lot of people were using these with good success. So let's put these on and see how they work. So this kit was like 170 bucks. For the Tool crossbars, I think it was almost $600 with the feet and everything. This comes with the feet for that price, for 170. These are lockable, which really, you're not locking the crossbars on, you're essentially locking out the hardware so somebody can't come along and access the hardware to steal these. One of the locks on one side of these comes out, and you have your Allen key here, and that's how you tighten these up. So let's get these set up and start tightening them down. One thing to realize is this is kind of shaped like an airfoil. You want the thinner part towards the rear of your vehicle. It's just how it's set up for aerodynamics, kind of like an airplane wing. So you may need to loosen this Allen screw here, which basically widens these mounting feet out, and you might need to do that to get it over your factory roof rails. Gonna just do a rough measurement here, see how far we are off the front of the vehicle. You can measure to anywhere that's gonna be consistent on both sides of the vehicle. You measure to the top of the windshield, or this piece right here. It's gonna get you close enough. We'll do 2 inches back there. All right, this front one is set to tighten down. Just gonna take our Allen, set those there for now. So they call for 24 inches between the two crossbars. I did at least 24. I did 30 inches, and I think it looks fine. So we'll see how that does. We can always adjust them quite easily if we have to. All right, got that all tightened down. Let's put our locks in. Like that. Put our Allen keys on the driver's side. Comes with these caps for the ends of the rails here. Just snaps right into this extruded aluminum channel here. Good. All right, the final thing is take this rubber trim and you're gonna wanna measure in between your 2 feet here, basically from here over to there, and you can see it'll fill in this gap on the bottom. So I'm gonna measure that, cut it to size, and then we'll pop that in, that little gap. Feel pretty sturdy, rocking my whole car with them. So anyway, this is kind of an install video for you guys and first impressions. I think they're, you know, nice quality unit. They're aluminum, so they're not gonna rust or anything. I like that they're locking, so somebody can't just come up and steal them for their own vehicle. Fit and finish is overall pretty good. This one rubber seal or rubber trim piece on the foot there is a little bit, I think it should pop on there a little bit better, but I mean, I could glue that on if I wanted to, but the rest of them all look like they're real snug. But anyway, the next video I do on these is actually going to be a real world test. We're going to put something on there that's really going to push the limits of them, and we'll see how they actually hold up and take the abuse. So hope you guys liked this. If you did, hit the notification bell, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Try these babies out. I'm gonna go find some water because as you can see, it's pretty hot out here.